Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my favorite season is coming, and this is the shopping season of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that I gathered throughout years of shopping online. I want to show you how you can get everything you want during Black Friday in the best prices you can get, the best deals you can get. And yeah, so if you're interested in hearing what I have to say on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk about tips related to skincare and beauty, makeup and such, because this is my field, but feel free to use my tips on every order you make on Black Friday, even if it's not skincare and makeup, because some of it is quite general and can help you with your Black Friday purchases. So my first tip for you guys is to check which website is the best to order from. Most of you know that there are a lot of makeup websites. There are the brands website themselves, and there are a lot of retailers like Sephora, Beauty Bay, Cult Beauty, and so on, Ulta. So you can find your product also on Sephora, but you can also find it on the brand's website. You need to check and see which website offer the best deals. For example, Sephora right now offers 15% off for insiders, 20% off for Rouge and VIB until the 19th of November. This is not a Black Friday, but it is a Sephora sale. If you want to order a specific product from Sephora or a lot of things from Sephora, maybe it will be worth it. But if you know what deals the brands that you want to order from, for example, if you want to order from Pat McGrath and they will offer 25% on their website, then it's better to order Pat McGrath from their websites and not from Sephora, because then you save another 5%. I just think it is better to do your homework, see what the websites offer. You can just search it on Google by simple search the brand name with Black Friday, say search Sephora with Black Friday, Ulta with Black Friday, and you will be able to see what they offer, and that is how you will know where to order from. Tip number 2 is to prepare yourself. What does it mean? Compare between what they're going to offer on Black Friday to what they're offering on Cyber Monday. If you want to order something that is highly requested, like a new lunch or something, then I highly suggest that you will order it during Black Friday, because I don't think it will be left until Cyber Monday. But if you want to order something that it is not the most requested item in the world, you might want to wait till Cyber Monday. And if you ask yourself, how can I know what the website offered this year? Then first of all, most of the website, or at least a lot of them, already released what they're going to offer during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And also you can search Black Friday 2017 on Google and you can see the offers from last year. So tip number 3 is very important for those of you who want to order something that is highly requested. And this tip is, be aware that Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals can start before Black Friday itself. Sometimes, well, usually brands and websites will start the offers before Friday itself. Black Friday this year is the 23rd of November, so be aware some of the sales has already started. Another great way which I usually check all of the deals is by an Instagram page called Trendmood. I will link it down below. It is a great page. They have all of the offers. Tip number 4 is a tip that is not for advantages of the website. If a website that you want to order from does not offer Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals, then don't order from them. If you want to order something and they don't offer deals, then why would you want to order them during Black Friday? You can wait and order it whenever you want. Don't get caught in all of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday hype and everything to order things that are not discounted, because where is the point? If there is a website that usually offers deals throughout the year and not only on Black Friday, for example Tarte, they have a lot of sales all year long, then don't order from them if it's not the most amazing deal you've ever seen. Usually we want to spend our money wisely, and if you want to order a lot of things on Black Friday, what's the difference to order from Tarte now when they have the sale and 2 months from now when they will have the exact same sale? Don't be tempted to buy things that are not so worth it. What does it mean? Sometimes the websites will offer discounted prices on items that nobody wants. You will see 60% off, 70% off. See if it's worth it. Don't just buy stuff because they're discounted at 70% off. If you buy a product that is not worth it, then even this 30% off that you pay does not worth it. You know what I mean? Buy stuff that you really want and has great discounts. My next tip is to do a list of what you want to order. It is so much easier. You can get lost. You can even put it on your computer with a link to the website you want to order from. Just be organized. I just think it will be so much better for you. And also, of course, I know that sometimes during Black Friday and Cyber Monday the brands offer crazy deals and you want to order something that you didn't know you want to order, and that's okay because we are all human. I do it all the time. Tell yourself, okay, I want to have a certain amount of money that I am willing to spend if I see something crazy that I didn't think about before, and just stick to it. Don't buy things irrationally. Just be aware that you also have this little amount of money that you want to have as a backup, you know? Okay, this tip is super important because this tip is related to cashback. Cashback is an amazing opportunity to get back, obviously, money that you spent on websites. During Black Friday and Cyber Monday, the cashback apps will offer even higher cashback rates, so it will be so good. For example, sometimes you even get 10% cashback, 11% cashback, which is crazy from the total amount of your order. The app I use for cashback is called Ebates. I am sure a lot of you heard of it, but Ebates is legit. It is an amazing app. You install it on your internet browser and it is automatic. Whenever you go into a website that is in collaboration with Ebates, it will pop a window and it will tell you how much cashback there is on this website, if there are any deals you should look into, and it is a great app. You need to activate it before you check out, and then you get money into your cashback account. You get the money, I think, every quarter. I'm not really sure. I will leave everything down below. Whenever you sign up and you make your first purchase, you get money from them. It's like $10 or $25, something like that. Again, I will link everything down below, but it is an amazing opportunity to get money, as I said, and it is legit. I got already 2 times or 3 times. Make sure that you check it out in the description box. Sometimes the product that you want to order will not ship to your country, so what you can do is you can use a company that ships the item from the United States for you. I will link below a website that I heard a lot of recommendation about. It is called Ship My Deal. I haven't used them yet. I'm planning on using them on this Black Friday, hopefully, so I will let you know what I think. But the overall idea is that you get an American address from them, and when you do your checkout, you just put the American address that you get. The parcel will reach their company and then they reach out to you. They repackage everything, so you will not pay crazy amount of shipping, and they send it to you wherever you want. They ship worldwide, so it is an amazing opportunity to get whatever you want in these crazy deals, because who else knows? It is painful to see like 50% off for a website and you can't get it. It sucks. So yeah, guys, I really suggest that you check out companies like that ship to your country, and also do it only by recommendation. You don't want to ship stuff that worth a lot of money to a company that you don't know that it is good. So as I mentioned, I didn't use this company services yet, but I will try it and I will let you know. I only heard good things from them, so I will link it down below. Another video I'm going to release soon is what I'm planning on buying on Black Friday, my wish list. So make sure that you click the subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.